The Boss Baby, a hilarious comedy about a new baby's arrival as told by 7-year-old Tim, is hitting theatres in April, and we want you to be the boss of your own private screening. Not only will you get a pack of merchandise from the movie, but you and 10 friends get to attend a private screening of The Boss Baby with, wait for it, a Sticky TV presenter. Oh, and by the way, the popcorn and drinks are on us. To be in the draw, we want you to either draw or send in a photo of your whole whānau and include who the boss of your family is. And then once you're done, you can send it to Sticky TV, PO Box 68961 Newton, Auckland 1145, or you can email us at stickytv@picketpossum.co.nz. Include your name, age, address and phone number. We'll be picking one winner, so make sure you get your entries in by the end of the month.